Maintenance on the Broan ONE ERV should be performed quarterly and annually. This video will take you through the steps for both. Before performing any maintenance, it's important to put on safety glasses and gloves. To begin quarterly maintenance, disconnect the unit or turn it off at the service panel. Open the unit door by pulling on the door retaining tabs to disengage them from the unit housing. Rotate the door and carefully swing it down, as water may be present when the outdoor temperature is cold. If additional room is needed, the door can be removed by sliding it out of its hinges. For units installed overhead, always hold the recovery core when unlatching the recovery core. Failure to do so will cause the recovery core to fall out. While holding the recovery core, push the latching tab toward the center of the unit. With the tab pushed, slide the recovery core out. Next, remove the filters. Wash filters under lukewarm water with mild soap. Rinse and let them dry completely before reinstalling. Place the filters back into the unit. Refer to the recovery core label for proper orientation. Slide the recovery core into the unit until you hear a loud click. With the recovery core now in place, reinstall and close the door. Latch the door, then restore power to the unit. You may be required to reset the filters if they use a wall control and the maintenance indicator light is on. If you're using the optional main wall control, press on the intermittent or auto button for 5 seconds to reset the filters. If you're using the advanced optional main wall control, follow the instructions on the touchscreen. Next, clean and remove any debris from the exterior terminations. Your quarterly maintenance is now complete. To perform annual maintenance on the unit, repeat steps 1 through 5 from the quarterly maintenance process. Then, using a vacuum cleaner and a soft brush attachment, remove any debris on all sides of the recovery core. Do not soak the recovery core in water, as this can damage the recovery core. With a vacuum or dry cloth, clean the interior surfaces of the unit. Refer to the recovery core for proper orientation. Then, slide the cleaned recovery core with filters into the unit until you hear a loud click. Reinstall, close, and latch the door, then restore power to the unit. If you have the optional Merv 13 disposable filter, it should be replaced when it is too dirty. To insert a Merv 13 filter, pull the recovery core 3 to 4 inches out. Refer to the switch direction by the LCD screen to determine which side the Merv 13 should be placed. Then, bend the 2 Merv flaps to form a 45-degree angle. Install the Merv 13 filter over the recovery core. Slide the recovery core and filter back into the unit until you hear a loud click. Close and latch the door. Your annual maintenance is now complete.